Bladder 60 is located on the outside of your ankle bone between the tip of your ankle bone and your Achilles tendon. Right about here. To locate bladder 60, put your finger on the tip of your ankle bone, then come back towards your Achilles tendon. When you come off the bone, push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is bladder 60. Activate bladder 60 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate bladder 60 on your right leg.